A software glitch has been identified as the cause of February 7 mishap involving an Indian Air Force IAF Tejas fighter jet. According to Kashmir Media Service, the glitch was in plane's onboard computer software. A new upgraded software, it is being tested, developed jointly by the IAF and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL). The incident, which occurred during the takeoff, resulted in the jet veering off the runway. Following the mishap, the IAF ordered exhaustive checks on the entire fleet of 35 Tejas jets, including metallurgy, electromagnetic systems, and software. This marks as a third accident involving Tejas since its induction, raising concerns about the aircraft safety record, and the IAF is conducting a court of inquiry and the HAL is working closely with them to resolve this issue. The Tejas fleet includes 38 jets, with 2 lost to crashes and 180 Tejas Mark 1A jets on order, deliveries of which are running 2 years behind schedule. The frequent aerial mishaps, they have raised questions about the reliability and maintenance of the Tejas fleet, sparking fears about the IAF operational readiness.